Bollywood or country? That's a very lame question.
In the B town, but Imran, the
Hello.
question is to you. पिछले 2 साल में we have not seen you on big screen. So how much are you expecting from this movie? And are you regretting for the losses that has happened in the past from the time you have entered the industry?
नहीं, absolutely not. I'm very glad that I got this break यार. सच कहूँ तो पिछले 1.5 साल से I needed time to spend with my family. My wife was pregnant, my daughter was born, and these are things that happen once or twice in your life if you're lucky. And there's nothing that would make me give that up. So at no cost. I'm happy that I was there. That being said, I'm also very happy to be back at work because I love to make movies. इस फिल्म पर काम करते मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया. निखिल, कंगना, दोनों के साथ मेरी बहुत अच्छी working relationship थी, and I've had such a positive time. It's really reminded me of the love that I have for movies. Katti Batti, more than most other films which I've done, it has made me feel very happy and fulfilled, made me feel very satisfied, and it reminds me every day. This is why we sleep for 3 hours and wake up and go to work. This is why we put ourselves out on the line. It's a film which is very, very close to my heart.
कंगना, आपसे एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन है. आपके हिसाब से who do you think is the real queen of Bollywood?
Is Bollywood or country? That's a very lame question.
In the B town, but who do you think?
Sid, Kangna, Imran, Nikhil, here, on your right.
Left side.
Congratulations.
That's the left.
On your left. Congratulations for the brilliant trailer. I think it looks really refreshing. My question is to you, Nikhil. Earlier, the film was titled Sali Kutia, but now you guys have moved on to a slightly non-controversial title. So can we assume that filmmakers are exercising self-censorship because of the volatile environment right now?
What volatile environment?
Why the change in the title?
Because we just felt that the title was, when it came to me, I loved it, but we also felt it was way too gimmicky. It's not necessary at all. The film is about the ups and downs of a relationship, and what really transpires in their lives, and how it all gets resolved actually. So it was not necessary, and I mean, just for the sake of creating some kind of buzz and some kind of conversation, there's no point in getting into those kind of things. So yeah, I loved it, but I also agreed why we should drop it.
Do you feel Katti Batti sums up the idea of the film in the same way?
Yeah, I do. Yeah, totally.
Better,
because I mean,
when
ever since we were kids, we used to Katti Batti. So yeah, it does. Because that's what life is, what love is, what their relationship is, which is up, down, sometimes, and then once it breaks, then it comes back together. That's what Katti Batti is all about.
Kangna, considering the nature of the film, is there anything that you yourself have learnt about modern day romance? Because the film emphasizes on young love, as we can see.
It's very urban. It's very, it's not one of those regressive love stories where, you see those very cliche sort of scenarios and scenes and, storylines. So it's very urban, and we all can identify with it, the way the characters are. And I did identify with it.
Hi, Kangna. This is Urvi here.
Just a second.
Kangna.
Okay, so we'll just take this. Yeah.
Hi. Sorry.
Do you believe in time pass love?
Well, the thing is that every time a relation doesn't start on this note that you have clarity about things. Maybe time passes for my age or stage is too a lighter word, but I would like to date. And when you get into dating, the first thing probably long-term relationship or marriage is definitely not in your mind, because you have to you don't have that much understanding of the equation or the relationship. So in some term, maybe it could be called time pass also. I'm very open to time pass romances.
Unless you're Maddie or you're me, because whenever I had a girlfriend, I wanted to get married to them immediately.
Hello.
So,
Hi, Kangna. This is Urvi to your right. Yeah.
Yeah, on this side.
Hi.
Since the film deals with a live-in relationship, how much do you believe in the concept of live-in relationship?
Well, to each his own. I think it's just about the person, how the other person makes you feel. There is no compulsion. If you're in a relationship, not necessarily you have that much trust or faith or that kind of future planning with each other. At the same time, if you do, then you should go ahead with it and just see how things work and take it to next level.
हेलो कंगना जी एंड इमरान।
हाय।
Hi.
कहाँ पे? हाँ ये। हाय।
इमरान जी से मेरा सवाल है कि जहाँ पे कंगना होती है वहाँ हीरो की ज़रूरत नहीं होती, और नेशनल अवार्ड विनर क्वीन और तनु वेट्स मनु, तो आपको अपने लिए फिल्म में मतलब कहाँ तक सेफ लगता है?